Tnad jangka arts and culture Khubor ka khat phra tarik no pra kala Kynmaw Burom ya ka Lyngkhuh Sngi yap ka ba phra phusan jo Myllung Soso Tham ubade uriu khrau ubala no sinyang shaka imlang salang bat ka jai ban riu ha ka tho ka puli hakani ka Sngi lawan ban shim banta da ulat Khubojylla CH Vijaya Shankar ubalong kumukong san bat menteri sarkar ka Tnad arts and culture ba san Khubborjylla kumusembut kong san bat kiwe de ki officer sarkar da ka babu sintiu hakmat udur mod Myllung Soso Tham has State Central Library Shillong.
Get a side on Okay.
Participated in the same program. I have got another opportunity to participate again in the same program. One of the great souls can inspire anybody. Many times in many of the programs I have been told this kind of programs, particularly in the name of Soso Tham, which we are going to conduct here, it is not going to benefit either to the family of Soso Tham or particularly the great soul Soso Tham. It is going to benefit to the whole of the society. Whole of the society. And many of the programs I am going to repeat. Again I am going to repeat it here. Who do not know their history, who do not know their history, they cannot create history. They cannot create history. This is the time, this is the opportunity, this is the occasion to recall ourselves, our memories, and our history, our cultural history, our social background, our spiritual background, and our forefathers' commitment towards the society, their contribution, not only the commitment, their contribution to the society. In that way, ultimately this kind of programs inspires us. We also should give something to the society. Ultimately, it makes us to understand what is our role, in the society, and what exactly the society, the expectation from we people, and what we can contribute. In that way, I feel every year, once in a year, we are going to assemble here and remember the name of you, Soso Tham, and speaks few of the things about them. And again 1 year it will go. Any of our honorable ministers here, art and culture, our principal secretaries also here. Two things I am going to make it here, very clear here. One thing, you take the family of this particular Soso Tham, family members, and some of the dignitaries, well-versed personalities, and form an academy in the name of Soso Tham. Farm Academy. All the 12 months, one or the other activities should run. The father of Khasi literature. Father of Khasi literature. See the wonderful personality. Father of Khasi literature. At a time when Khasi was mostly spoken and not widely written, he gave a strong written form. Through his writings, he preserved the history, values and traditions of the Khasi people and for the future generation also. His notable works continues to guide us in understanding our roots and culture identity. His writings taught us to respect our own language, our heritage, and our own moral values. There are many issues of the heritage, history, values, and all that. I need not to read all this given by our Rajbhavan officers.
Competition. First prize, Ms. Nafizabet Saltme and Ms. Cheryl Karmalki from Auxilium Higher Secondary School. Third prize, Mr. Stevenson Lyngkhuh Higher Secondary School.
Ma'am, sir, look, sir, straight, sir. Straight, look, sir. Thank you, sir. Yeah. Thank you, sir.